Welcome to our deep dive into Industry 4 and its transformative impact on pharmaceutical manufacturing. In this video, we'll explore how cutting-edge technologies are reshaping the way medicines are produced, ensuring higher quality, efficiency, and safety. From automation to data analytics, the pharmaceutical industry is undergoing a digital revolution. Let's begin by understanding what Industry 4 means in the context of pharma and why it's such a game-changer for drug manufacturing worldwide. Industry 4 refers to the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by the integration of digital technologies into manufacturing. In pharmaceuticals, this means leveraging automation, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to streamline processes. The goal is to create smart factories where machines communicate, data flows seamlessly, and production becomes more adaptive and efficient. This shift is not just about technology, but about transforming the entire culture of manufacturing. Pharmaceutical manufacturing faces unique challenges: strict regulations, complex processes, and the need for absolute precision. Industry 4 addresses these by introducing real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and data-driven decision-making. These advancements help reduce errors, improve compliance, and ensure consistent product quality. As patient needs evolve and demand for personalized medicine grows, embracing Industry 4 becomes essential for staying competitive. The heart of Pharma 4 are several key technologies. Automation streamlines repetitive tasks, while robotics handle delicate operations with precision. The Internet of Things connects equipment, enabling seamless data collection. Artificial intelligence analyzes this data, uncovering patterns and optimizing processes. Together, these technologies create a connected, intelligent manufacturing environment that can quickly adapt to changes and challenges. Smart Factory is a fully integrated, collaborative manufacturing system that responds in real time to changing conditions. In pharmaceutical production, this means machines and systems are interconnected, sharing data and insights instantly. This connectivity allows for better control over every step of the manufacturing process, from raw material handling to final product packaging. The result is greater efficiency, reduced waste, and improved product quality. Automation is revolutionizing pharmaceutical manufacturing by taking over repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Automated systems can precisely measure ingredients, mix compounds, and package products with minimal human intervention. This not only speeds up production but also reduces the risk of human error. By freeing up skilled workers to focus on more complex tasks, automation enhances both productivity and job satisfaction. Robotics play a crucial role in modern pharmaceutical plants. Robots can handle delicate operations, such as filling vials or assembling devices, with incredible precision. They work tirelessly around the clock, maintaining consistent quality and reducing contamination risks. As robotics technology advances, we can expect even greater flexibility and efficiency in pharmaceutical manufacturing processes. Internet of Things connects machines, sensors, and systems across the manufacturing floor. In pharma, IoT devices monitor equipment performance, track environmental conditions, and collect data in real time. This connectivity enables proactive maintenance, reduces downtime, and ensures that every batch meets strict quality standards. IoT is the backbone of the smart factory, making data-driven manufacturing possible. Artificial intelligence is transforming how pharmaceutical companies analyze data and make decisions. AI algorithms can predict equipment failures, optimize production schedules, and even identify potential quality issues before they occur. By learning from vast amounts of data, AI helps manufacturers improve efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain compliance with regulatory standards. Data analytics is at the core of Industry 4 in pharma. By collecting and analyzing data from every stage of production, manufacturers can identify trends, detect anomalies, and make informed decisions. This proactive approach helps ensure that every batch of medicine meets the highest quality standards, reducing the risk of recalls and protecting patient safety. Predictive maintenance uses data from sensors and machines to anticipate equipment failures before they happen. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, this means less unplanned downtime and fewer disruptions to production. By scheduling maintenance only when needed, companies save money and extend the life of their equipment, all while maintaining a steady flow of high-quality products. Digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical process or system. In pharma, digital twins allow manufacturers to simulate production lines, test changes, and predict outcomes without disrupting actual operations. This technology helps optimize processes, improve product quality, and accelerate innovation, all while minimizing risk and cost. Cloud computing enables pharmaceutical companies to store, manage, and analyze vast amounts of data securely. With cloud-based systems, teams can collaborate in real time, access information from anywhere, and scale their operations as needed. This flexibility is crucial for supporting global supply chains and responding quickly to market demands. As pharmaceutical manufacturing becomes more connected, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Protecting sensitive data, intellectual property, and production systems from cyber threats is a top priority. Companies must invest in robust security measures, regular training, and continuous monitoring to safeguard their operations and maintain trust with regulators and patients. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is heavily regulated to ensure product safety and efficacy. Industry 4 technologies can help companies meet these requirements by providing detailed records, real-time monitoring, and automated reporting. However, integrating new systems also brings challenges, such as validating software and maintaining data integrity. Navigating this landscape requires careful planning and collaboration with regulatory bodies. Industry 4 is changing the skills required in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Workers now need to understand digital systems, data analysis, and automation technologies. Companies are investing in training and upskilling programs to help employees adapt. This transformation not only improves productivity, but also opens up new career opportunities in the evolving pharma landscape. Implementing Industry 4 requires more than just new technology, it demands a cultural shift. Change management strategies are essential for ensuring successful adoption. This includes clear communication, leadership support, and involving employees in the transition process. By fostering a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, companies can maximize the benefits of digital transformation. Industry 4 enables the production of personalized medicines tailored to individual patient needs. Advanced data analytics and flexible manufacturing systems allow for smaller, more precise batches. This shift from mass production to customization is revolutionizing patient care, offering better outcomes and more targeted therapies. Industry 4 technologies enhance supply chain visibility and efficiency. Real-time tracking, predictive analytics, and automated logistics help ensure that raw materials and finished products move smoothly through the supply chain. This reduces delays, minimizes waste, and ensures that medicines reach patients faster and more reliably. Real-time monitoring systems collect and analyze data from every stage of pharmaceutical production. These systems detect deviations instantly, allowing for immediate corrective action. This proactive approach ensures consistent product quality and helps companies meet regulatory requirements with greater confidence. Traditional batch release processes can be slow and labor-intensive. With Industry 4, automated data collection and analysis speed up the release of finished products. This not only reduces time to market but also ensures that only high-quality medicines reach patients. Faster batch release is a key advantage in responding to urgent healthcare needs. Continuous manufacturing replaces traditional batch processes with a non-stop production flow. This approach, enabled by Industry 4 technologies, improves efficiency, reduces waste, and allows for real-time quality control. Continuous manufacturing is especially valuable for producing high-demand medicines quickly and reliably. Automation and digital systems help minimize human error in pharmaceutical manufacturing. By standardizing procedures and providing real-time guidance, these technologies ensure that every step is performed correctly. This not only improves product quality but also enhances safety for both workers and patients. Traceability is critical in pharmaceutical manufacturing for tracking every ingredient and process step. Industry 4 technologies provide end-to-end visibility, making it easier to trace products from raw materials to final delivery. This transparency supports regulatory compliance and helps quickly address any quality issues that arise. Smart manufacturing systems monitor and optimize energy use throughout the production process. By identifying inefficiencies and adjusting operations in real time, companies can reduce energy consumption and lower costs. These sustainability efforts also help pharmaceutical manufacturers meet environmental goals and regulatory requirements. Industry 4 technologies help reduce waste by optimizing production processes and improving quality control. Real-time data analysis identifies inefficiencies and enables immediate adjustments. By minimizing waste, pharmaceutical companies not only save money but also reduce their environmental impact. Digital technologies accelerate the pace of innovation in pharmaceutical manufacturing. By enabling rapid prototyping, simulation, and testing, companies can bring new products to market faster. This agility is crucial for responding to emerging health threats and meeting evolving patient needs. Industry 4 fosters greater collaboration between departments and even across organizations. Cloud-based platforms and real-time data sharing break down silos, allowing teams to work together more effectively. This collaborative approach leads to better problem-solving and more innovative solutions. Remote monitoring allows pharmaceutical companies to oversee production processes from anywhere in the world. Using connected devices and cloud platforms, managers can track performance, identify issues, and make decisions in real time. This flexibility is especially valuable for global operations and during emergencies. Industry 4 technologies contribute directly to patient safety by ensuring consistent product quality and rapid response to potential issues. Automated systems detect deviations early, while traceability tools make it easy to recall products if necessary. These measures build trust with healthcare providers and patients alike. Let's look at a real-world example: vaccine manufacturing. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Industry 4 technologies enabled rapid scaling of production, real-time quality monitoring, and efficient distribution. These advancements were critical in delivering safe and effective vaccines to millions of people worldwide, demonstrating the power of digital transformation in pharma. Another example is the production of personalized therapies for cancer patients. Industry 4 enables flexible manufacturing systems that can quickly adapt to produce small, customized batches. Advanced analytics ensure each therapy meets strict quality standards, offering hope for better outcomes in complex diseases. Despite the benefits, implementing Industry 4 in pharma comes with challenges. High upfront costs, integration with legacy systems, and the need for specialized skills can slow adoption. Companies must carefully plan their digital transformation journey, balancing innovation with risk management and regulatory compliance. To overcome these barriers, pharmaceutical companies are forming partnerships with technology providers, investing in workforce development, and adopting phased implementation strategies. By starting small and scaling up, organizations can manage risks while reaping the benefits of digital transformation. Looking ahead, we can expect even greater integration of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced robotics in pharmaceutical manufacturing. These technologies will drive further improvements in efficiency, quality, and flexibility. The future of pharma is digital, connected, and patient-centric. Sustainability is becoming a top priority in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Industry 4 technologies help companies reduce their environmental footprint by optimizing resource use, minimizing waste, and supporting green initiatives. These efforts not only benefit the planet but also enhance brand reputation and regulatory compliance. Industry 4 enables a shift toward patient-centric manufacturing, where therapies are designed and produced with individual patient needs in mind. This approach leverages data from electronic health records, genomics, and wearable devices to create more effective and personalized treatments. Industry 4 is driving the globalization of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Digital technologies enable companies to coordinate operations across multiple sites, manage global supply chains, and ensure consistent quality worldwide. This global approach supports faster access to medicines and more resilient healthcare systems. Big data is a cornerstone of Industry 4 in pharma. By aggregating and analyzing massive datasets, companies can uncover insights that drive innovation, improve processes, and enhance patient care. Big data analytics supports everything from drug discovery to post-market surveillance. Industry 4 technologies are accelerating drug discovery by enabling high-throughput screening, predictive modeling, and automated experimentation. These tools help researchers identify promising compounds faster and bring new therapies to market more efficiently, ultimately benefiting patients worldwide. Digital quality management systems streamline compliance and ensure that every product meets regulatory standards. Automated documentation, real-time monitoring, and integrated reporting make it easier to track quality metrics and respond to issues quickly. This digital approach reduces paperwork and improves transparency. Industry 4 technologies simplify regulatory audits by providing instant access to detailed records and real-time data. Auditors can review digital logs, track changes, and verify compliance more efficiently. This transparency reduces audit times and helps companies maintain a strong compliance record. Digital technologies are enhancing patient engagement by providing more information, personalized therapies, and better communication with healthcare providers. Industry 4 enables pharmaceutical companies to gather feedback, monitor outcomes, and continuously improve their products and services. Journey to fully implementing Industry 4 in pharmaceutical manufacturing is ongoing. As technologies evolve and new challenges arise, companies must remain agile and committed to continuous improvement. By embracing digital transformation, the pharmaceutical industry can deliver safer, more effective medicines to patients around the world. In summary, Industry 4 is revolutionizing pharmaceutical manufacturing by integrating advanced technologies, improving efficiency, and enhancing patient outcomes. While challenges remain, the benefits of digital transformation are clear. By embracing Pharma 4, companies can stay ahead of the curve and play a vital role in shaping the future of healthcare.